Hey, if you wonder if there's any difference between the stock camera application and the Google camera application on the Redmi Note 13, let me quickly show you. So as you can see here, I've got the Google camera. I'm just going to open and show you how it looks. There we go. So this is the Google camera and this is our stock camera. And I just take this photo with the Google with the Redmi camera application, and I just find two things. First one, when you take a look, for example, in this place, just take a look for the details. After a few moments, I'm going to show you comparison with the Google camera, and also take a look right here. It looks like completely blurred, and we cannot actually find the same structure like here. But when it turns into the Google camera photo, when we take a look right here, we can definitely find more details. And when you take here, we can find this structure, and it's like more accurate into the real life, the colors especially. So this one, in this place, it looks like it's overexposure a little bit, and there's like no this structure here, but on the Google camera photo it actually appears. So yeah, for me, in my opinion, the Google Camera 9.1 works better than this Redmi camera. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.